So this is the famous Durbar Square at the residence or former residence of the King of Nepal, and the palace is guarded by two stone lions, but as you can see, the palace is now being rebuilt because of the earthquake. So Kumari is the living goddess who protects the city of Kathmandu, and she is a little girl. She lives in the palace, and every morning from 9 till 11 she actually appears at the window. Taking a photograph of her is strictly forbidden, and however we can take photographs in the courtyard when she's not here. In 2015 she went on strike because she wanted a reduction on the price of tickets to access the square. We don't know if she won the battle or not, but the same year there was the terrible earthquake, and her building is one of the ones that actually survived. Inside the building, the stupa I showed you earlier is also sacred. I did not immediately appreciate how intricate the wood carvings are on the windows, but the decor inside the building is fantastic, and the atmosphere has immediately changed. Everything has become more silent and more collected. This is the Nepalese skyline in the old part of the city, with a bunch of friendly guys outside the temple who enjoy taking their picture with us. This is the typical bamboo scaffold. So we found out about a new cement mixing technique, pretty much the same way people used to make wine. Gaudy, bloody, beautiful. The goddess Kali has just cut off the head of an enemy. Around her leg we can see the tail of a tiger, presumably on her back, and she has a sword and the hand of another enemy held in her own hand. Some places are so full of people, so full of life, noise, that they just make you tired. So we decided we're going home. See you later.